Welcome to today's tutorial. So in this tutorial we're going to discuss the question that you're seeing on the screen, and this is a very simple question. So if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, click on the subscription button, and if you have any questions or you want to join the extra lessons that I'll be conducting during the holidays, feel free to contact me using any of these lines. Okay, so the question is simple. It says if I naught and I denote the intensity of light before and after going through a material, and x is the distance in feet the light travels in the material, then according to the Beer-Lambert Law, the equation is given as -1/k, then ln I/I naught being equal to x. So now the first question is saying, okay, they're saying where k is a constant depending on the type of material. Solve the equation for I. So we're trying to make I the subject of the formula. So what are we going to do? So we first take this -1/k as the power of this function there. So when you do that, we're going to remain with ln I/I naught to the power -1/k being equal to x. Then from there, what you do is that you convert the whole expression to what? You convert the whole expression to an index form, into indices. So we know to say ln is a special logarithm with a base e. So when we say ln that, it's just the same as us saying log I/I naught -1/k is equal to x, but of course the base here should be e. That's what ln means. So if the base is e, means that when you are converting this to exponential form, we are going to take e as the base, so we have e to the power that x there. So this will still remain as the base, and then the power is whatever that is this side, and then you say this is equal to I/I naught to the power -1/k. So now we make I the subject of the formula. How do you make I the subject of the formula? So what you need to do here is we get rid of this negative first of all. So how do we get rid of the negative? It means that we are going to, this is going to go down, or you can simply just switch what is in the brackets there. So meaning you have e to the power x being equal to I naught over I to the power what? 1/k. If you don't want to, oh sorry, I've made a mistake. Okay, so if you don't want to do it this way, you can simply follow the normal way that everyone does it, which is which is saying e to the power x, and then you say is equal to 1 over everything that is in the brackets there, 1/I naught -1 oh sorry, this now becomes positive, which is just the same as what I wrote, which is just the same as us saying so it's just the same as saying I naught over I to the power 1/k. You just switch what is inside to get rid of this negative. And the other thing that you do now is, let me just be using capital letter I's because the way they appear as if they are ones. Okay, so now we find the kth root of both sides, so that we just remain with what is in the brackets there. So we have e to the power x, so we have the kth root of e to the power x being equal to the kth root of I over I naught over I to the power 1 over k means that this cancels with that part, meaning we'll just remain with something like this. So if I start with this part as the subject, we have I naught over I. So we have I naught over I being equal to the kth root of e to the power x. So now to make I the subject of the formula, because that's what the question is asking us to do, just cross multiply there and you have something like this. I is equal to, so this I will become the subject this side, and then this will become the denominator. We have I naught over the kth root of e to the power x. So this is the expression that they wanted us to derive. And then we move on to the second part of the question, which says for a certain lake, k is equal to 0.025 and the light intensity I is 14 lumens. Find the light intensity at the depth of 20 feet. So meaning we have been given, so this is part 2 of the question, we've been given, we're trying to find I, then the light intensity I naught has been given to be 14 lumens, and then K has also been given to be 0.025. Then the square root of e to the power, we've been given the distance to be, so that's the depth there, to be 20 feet. So you put 20 there. So if you have a calculator, this is a straightforward question. If you don't have a calculator, you end there. That is the solution. Alright. So in case you have any questions, or in case you want to join the extra lessons that I'll be conducting during the holidays, feel free to contact me using any of these lines on the screen, and don't forget to subscribe on the to subscribe to my channel. My name is Hamted. See you in the next tutorial video. Shalom, shalom.